In Montgomery County, school officials say they've tracked more than 4,000 COVID cases in the last week alone. In response, they're introducing a new system to monitor cases on a school-by-school basis. So here's how it works. There are 3 tiers. Schools reporting less than 3% of positive cases will be level green. Schools with between 3% and 5% will be level yellow. Those with more than 5% will be level red. At the red level, the school district will meet with the health department to figure out next steps. They say the goal is to avoid a one-size-fits-all approach.
And if there are some schools who are not impacted by the transmission rate of COVID-19 in the same way, then how are we helping them by preventing them from being able to have in-person learning, which we know is the best method of teaching and learning to help our children?
And as of tonight, 11 schools fall into the red alert category. They will be doing virtual learning starting Wednesday.
And while getting vaccinated is our best protection against COVID-19, the type of mask you wear can add another layer of defense. Brandon Lewis with our National Verified team explains why surgical masks offer a lot better protection than these cloth masks.
With the emergence of the Omicron variant, COVID-19 cases are on the rise once again in the United States. Health officials continue to encourage people to get vaccinated and boosted to protect themselves against the virus. Another layer of protection, the face mask. Recent headlines suggest people ditch their cloth masks for surgical masks. But do surgical masks offer better protection against COVID-19 than cloth masks? Let's verify. We went to these sources for an answer. The Food and Drug Administration describes a surgical mask as a loose-fitting disposable device that creates a physical barrier between the mouth and nose of the wearer and potential contaminants in the immediate environment. When worn properly, the surgical mask is meant to block large particle droplets that may contain viruses and bacteria from reaching your mouth and nose. The World Health Organization recommends people over the age of 60 and anyone with underlying health conditions wear a surgical mask to protect them from COVID-19. In a joint study, researchers from Bangladesh, Stanford, and Yale University compared surgical and cloth masks. They found that the filtration efficiency of surgical masks was about 95%, and the cloth mask was 37%. So we can verify, yes, surgical masks offer better protection against COVID-19 than cloth masks. A study from the University of Colorado found that KN95 and N95 masks are the most effective. But the CDC says N95 masks with surgical labels should be prioritized for healthcare workers. With your Verify, I'm Brandon Lewis. Want something verified? Email us or send us a text. For more Verify stories like this and to sign up for our newsletter, go to verifythis.com.